Soft, cheerful music plays as the camera zooms in on a cozy bedroom with a shelf full of toys. A brown teddy bear named Teddy sits on the bed, looking excited. Once upon a time, in a little boy's room, there was a teddy bear named Teddy. Teddy was soft, cuddly, and always ready for an adventure. Teddy comes to life, stretching his arms and jumping off the bed. One day, while everyone was asleep, Teddy decided it was time to explore the big world outside the bedroom. He carefully tiptoed to the door, pushed it open, and stepped into the hallway. Teddy walks through the hallway, peeking into different rooms, each filled with new and exciting things. As Teddy wandered, he found a room full of books, where he imagined sailing on a pirate ship. Then, he stumbled upon the kitchen, where the scent of cookies made his tummy rumble. But Teddy knew his adventure had just begun. Teddy reaches the living room, where he finds a window with the moon shining brightly outside. Finally, Teddy found the biggest surprise of all, the living room window. He gazed at the twinkling stars and the glowing moon. Teddy felt so small in the big, wide world, but he was happy because he knew he could go on adventures anytime he wanted. Teddy yawns, walks back to the bedroom, and climbs onto the bed, snuggling into his spot. After his exciting journey, Teddy was tired. He returned to his cozy spot on the bed, ready to dream about all the adventures he would have next. Good night, Teddy. Until next time. Cheerful music plays again as the camera zooms out, showing Teddy fast asleep with a smile on his face. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories with Teddy and his friends.